the central authority, who is the Attorney General of Belize, the Honorable Michael Peyrefitte, has a duty to request from the United States, because we now know as of Thursday last week, we had been hearing rumors, but we now know as part of the court docket in the Lev Dermen case that there were text messages between a sitting member of government, the Honorable John Saldivar, and I believe Jacob Kingston. I believe that is the Kingston who he shared text messages with. And so we need to find out, under this act, he is, and the Attorney General is allowed to contact the central authority in the United States, that being the Attorney General of the United States, to request the documents, the official records that are in this case. And it does not matter that the case is ongoing or is about to start. This document and these documents can be released even at this very early stage of the trial in the United States. So they have zero excuses now to say that they cannot access the information, because we have a treaty in place that was signed with the United States of America in the year 2001. It was ratified by the United States in 2003. And so we have where it is, we have the authority that the Attorney General can and has a duty to the people of Belize to exercise his authority under this to request those documents at this stage. There is other documentary evidence which at this very preliminary stage can help us in Belize piece together our own puzzle. So whatever proof that they have, whether it is a signed delivery, a receipt signed by somebody in Florida saying, I got this money on behalf of, we won't call names on that because no names have been released yet, but I received money in Florida. That again speaks to documentary evidence, official records that may be a part of this criminal prosecution that is currently taking place in the United States. All of this is relevant to what is happening now in Belize. And so while the letter that was sent to the Prime Minister and the Attorney General specifically speaks to the text messages, let us get access to that. It also speaks to other documentary evidence, including proof of wires, including any receipts that may have been signed in Florida. It's a paper trail that we're looking for in order to start an investigation, if needs be, right here in Belize. We're going to take legal action in the form of a mandamus in the Supreme Court of Belize, because we find that this is a gross dereliction of their duty, and that we will go to a Supreme Court to compel them to act.